What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Hook Chases Severe Weather vlog. And today is a very special video because
the solar eclipse.
That too. Not only the solar eclipse, but we also have three consecutive
days
of back-to-back severe weather. Why is it counting down? Look, there it goes again. Oh, it just took a picture. Okay, still getting used to this camera, guys. But yes, it's going to be a very, very interesting 3 days, as we have 3 days of back-to-back severe consecutive weather and enhanced risk already for all 3 days, which could be extended to the 4th and 5th day. So tornado season, severe weather season is getting really ramped up, guys. Definitely excited. We're going to be shooting a lot of videos, posting a lot more, so stay tuned for that. But the solar eclipse is pretty much hours away. We're here in Killeen, Texas, and if Mother Nature decides to cooperate with today, we might get a glimpse of it. We're going to be recording. I'll be live streaming on my TikTok later on today. You can see lots of high cirrus, lots of low clouds today, so it's going to be interesting to see how everything oh, hello Louie, everyone say hi to the vlog. But yeah, it's going to be an interesting day, guys. Tomorrow, SPC already has a hatched area for significant large tornadoes just north of the Houston area, north of I-10. That's going to transition into the Louisiana and Alabama area for Wednesday as well. So it's going to be a long next couple of the days. We're really excited, guys, so stay tuned for that.
Make sure you wear your solar eclipse glasses. If you do not, you have a risk of going blind and burning your cornea.
Yes, that too. Please don't look at it with your eyes, please. Even though it's going to be dark, I know, you know, if you're in the path of totality, it doesn't matter. If the moon is all over the sun and it's pitch black outside, you still got UV, still can hurt your eyes. So definitely wear those glasses, guys. But we'll continue to keep you up to date, guys. We're going to continue monitoring the conditions of the severe weather after the solar eclipse. So what do we say? Let's get it! All right, guys, we are back. Time now is 11:36. We're just killing time now.
Ignore my glasses.
In about 40 minutes, the solar eclipse is going to be crossing into Mexico, and soon late after that, it's going to be crossing into Texas and near the Rio Grande River, roughly about 1 o'clock. It's about 11:30 right now. We're just killing time, about to go get something to eat, probably get some McChickens at McDonald's. Isn't that right? Yes. He's like, I want McChicken. Just went to Goodwill, did some shopping. Unfortunately, they're not doing Dollar Monday anymore at Goodwill. So anything you see at Goodwill they used to do for $1 now, not doing anymore, really disappointed, but picked up a nice pair of dress shoes for $1, so can't complain about that. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Low level moisture is definitely cranking in now. Cloud tops are definitely streaming in, but we still have a couple peaks of sunshine that are streaming in through the high cirrus and low tops. So hopefully we'll get a glimpse of that, you know, small window when the solar eclipse comes. But it's going to be definitely interesting to see. We already have a mesoscale discussion issued just north of I-10 and Fort I-10 down in Katy, the Houston area, as that warm front is starting to convect north already. So things are starting to get ramped up. We'll be going live later on. We're going to go down here and pretty much get something to eat.
Triple cheese.
Triple cheese, okay.
Welcome to McDonald's. Order whenever you're ready.
Yes, ma'am. Can I do 2 triple cheeses with 2 large fries? What do you want to drink?
Or no problem.
Anything else?
And then 2 large Honor Palmer, the sweet tea lemonade mixture.
Anything else?
No, ma'am. That's all.
Alrighty, I'll have your total out the first window.
Thank you. What's wrong, Louie? What's wrong? Are you nervous? It's okay. It's okay.
You know what's funny about this eclipse? It's happening on the year of the elections, too.
That too. What's wrong, Louie? Say hi. Say hi to the camera.
McDonald's, order whenever you're ready.
Yeah, he's definitely nervous. He's ever since we got him, he was a stray on the street, so he's always been a nervous Vanelli. But we're getting fueled up here. Getting some cheeseburgers with some fries and
High cholesterol.
Yes, exactly. We're going to need that because it's going to be a very long day. Very, very long day. And once the solar eclipse is over, and then we're going to probably end up shooting east or north, probably towards the Dallas area, it's looking like, as that enhanced risk has already been expanded. So that's where we're going to be heading here after this. Like I said, we still have some cloud breaks. Still can see the sun, so hopefully we'll get a good view. And we'll also be watching live. Reed Timmer's going to be live. Apparently he's going to be taking a plane up there as well, which is absolutely insane. I would love to do that. I can't imagine what the view is going to be like flying a plane above the clouds and getting to see it. So it's going to be pretty cool.
Lay down.
Pretty cool. Louis like, I am ready. What is going on, y'all? We are back now. Time is currently 4:55 p.m. Central Time. Solarly eclipse was absolutely amazing, but now it is full-blown storm chasing mode. We're here just southwest of Mart, Texas, waiting for some storms that are pushing from the south along the warm front, seeing if they can get organized. So far, we did have one tornado warning, and that was just north of the Huntsville area, not confirmed as far as I know. And now we're just kind of waiting it out to see what happens. It seems like the storms have really been struggling due to the solar eclipse and it cooling the air rapidly and the dew points and everything just going chaotic. So I think that did have a big play in how fast these storms can intensify. But I think once everything starts mixing together and all the kinematics start coming up back over and skies start clearing up, I think that we're gonna have a pretty decent shot. Especially tomorrow, we still have that 10% hatch tornado risk for tomorrow for eastern parts of Texas, North Houston area as well. But yeah, we're pretty much just out here, just southwest of Mart, Texas, and waiting on the storms. We'll go ahead, I'll show y'all. Let's flip the camera around here, kind of show them what y'all are dealing with here. So no severe storms yet, but we're pretty much right. We are right here in Mart. Sorry guys, I know it doesn't focus too well. And we're waiting for some storms that are pretty much pushing up to here. Nothing severe yet. We have a little bit of rotation on this other end, but
yeah, and we were up
that's
early,
pretty much what we got so far.
morning.
So we'll continue to keep y'all up to date. Stopping for a bathroom break, letting Louie use the bathroom. Absolutely beautiful out here. What you think, Louie? He's like, all right, guys. Storm chase mode has been fully activated now. We're dropping south, gonna blast through this line of convective storms, firing up along the warm front. We initially thought that we're gonna be part of the main setup today, but that solar eclipse really kind of dampened everything out and brought those milky cloud cover in and really didn't allow any of the storms to really get mature in time before they started convecting to the north. So now we're heading down towards pretty much Ben Arnold, Rosebud area of Texas, and going to try to intercept some of these cells that are coming up the I-40 corridor north of Round Rock and Georgetown. These are going to be our next cells, but you can see the base of these storms that are coming in right now. It's got echo tops are about 45,000 feet, and they're definitely exploding, but as far as rotation and tornado genesis, I just don't see it happen anytime with these storms right here.
What are echo tops?
Echo tops is basically it's an instrument on radars you can use to measure the cloud height of how high the clouds are, echo tops. So these clouds basically are reaching about 40 to 45,000 feet into the atmosphere. So which is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not bad. Definitely not bad. But we need to target some of these discrete cells. This is not. It's going to become more of a wind damaging threat later on down the line, heading towards the Dallas area. So yeah, we need to get some of these linear modes coming in from Austin. Yeah, these are going to be it right here. Take Ben Avenue down here. Well, this will keep all its other modes in play anyway. So you know, if anything flies from the south, it almost looks like a wall cloud. You can kind of see out there some scud. Yeah, it definitely intensified, but it kind of lost its kind of signature hook it initially had on it. What are you doing? What does he see? Do you see something, Louie? He's like, I spot a nader. I spot the cows.
You guys start talking?
I don't know what was all over that gas pump. Man, it smelled like gasoline.
Disrespectful motherfucker. Louie, this is not okay.
You look at from KEWX to south.
Try to see what you're looking at here.
Louie, I'm glad you think this is okay, but it's not.
Trying to get an idea where this is going here.
Perfect. Yeah, that would be on the next. Yeah. The good thing is about, I'd say, all of
heck? All over here while we're driving. That ain't no good. Yeah, it's got a little bit of rotation in it, but it's nothing too pronounced. I don't see anything crazy. Yeah, I think that one down here, yeah, that one down there is probably gonna, on the I-40 corridor, that one's probably gonna do it. We'll end up targeting that one down there. Drop south over here. It's got a nice wall cloud on it though. Rotating shelf cloud right here. Look at that. It's got some little vortices in it just a little bit. Little vortice over there just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, it's got some broad, it's got broad rotation in it. Nothing that's sounding alarms right now. Yeah, this is the warm front. guys, we just ended up blasting through the warm front. We are now on the other side, southwest side of the warm front, heading back to the clean area. Storms have just been struggling all day long, guys. We've got really close to getting some rotation of this storm that started out near Round Rock and is now going through Rosebud, Texas, and we're heading west now, back towards Killeen in the Temple area. And hopefully, just hopefully tomorrow, this is just the beginning. This is the setup, and things will be a little bit more interesting tomorrow, as there is already a 10% hatched area for significant long track tornadoes issued by the SPC. I don't think it's going to get upgraded to modern as of right now. We'll see what the models look like in the morning once we wake up, but to say the least, absolutely crazy day, guys. Absolutely crazy. Had a solar eclipse, got to chase a little bit of severe weather here and there, and it's been absolutely insane. Once we get back to headquarters, HQ, we will dive into the models and figure out what the setup looks like for tomorrow. So it does look pretty interesting, to say the least. I think that if the not the dew points, but if the solar eclipse had not taken place, I think it might have been a little bit more enhanced per se, just due to the sun being blocked out and temperatures falling, and it allowed the atmosphere to stabilize a little more than what was originally anticipated. So we did not have that. We may have seen some more intense convection happen a little bit early on, but we just didn't get it. Didn't get it. Now, it's not to say we can't have a tornado warning later on tonight. I still think some of these cells do have the possibility to become a tornado warning still. It's just really going to depend on that low level jet and if these storms can become surface-based. But they've just been absolutely struggling all day long. They've been trying. They've definitely been trying, but they have been struggling a lot. Got one severe thunderstorm warning that's in Texas right now, and that one's going to be moving up to the Dallas area near Mesquite. Dallas, this is capable of producing pretty much, I think it said 1 1/4 inch in diameter hail. So that's the most action I think we've seen all day. That storm right there. And also the second area of convection up near Abilene, west of Abilene. We've got some big hellers up there too, but so far that's the story of the day. That is the story of the day. But I appreciate everyone watching. We're gonna get out in tomorrow. I'll be doing some more video updates after I get this video up and running and posted. So stay tuned, guys. I appreciate it, and stay safe.